Hello viewers, in this list of tutorial we are going to learn the Rust web app development with a very popular Rocket Crate. So let's get in with our conventional Hello World program. Let's first create a cargo project directory as Hello Rocket. Now after opening the project directory, let's add the Rocket dependency in our cargo.toml file. Remember to switch to nightly version since Rocket Crate nightly version uh, Crate works with nightly version properly. If you don't have installed, you can install it with sudo apt install nightly command and let them set as default rustup default by using rustup default nightly command. Rocket's main task is to listen for incoming web requests, dispatch the request to the application code, and return a response to the client. Rocket applications are centered around routes and handles. A route is a combination of a set of parameters to match an incoming request against a handler to process the request and return a response. A handler is simply a function that takes an arbitrary number of arguments and returns any arbitrary type. The parameter to match against include static paths, dynamic paths, path segments, forms, query string, string format, specifier, and body data, which will look like function decorators in other languages. So to make declaring routes easy, routes are declared by annotating a function, the handler, with the set of parameters to match against. This declares the slash route to match against the static path slash to incoming get request. Before Rocket can dispatch request to a route, the route needs to be mount. The mount method takes as an input number 1 a base path to namespace a list of routes under slash a list of routes via the routes macro routes hello. This creates a new Rocket instance via the ignite function and mounts the word route to the slash hello path, making Rocket aware of the route. Get routes to slash will be directed to the hello function. Now that Rocket knows about the route, we can tell Rocket to start accepting requests via the launch method. The method starts up the server and waits for incoming request. When a request arrives, Rocket finds the matching route and dispatches the request to the routes handler. We typically call launch from the main function. Note the hash feature line tells us that we are opting it to compiler feature available in the nightly release channel. This line must be in crate root, typically main.rs. We will also import the Rocket sorry we will also imported the Rocket crate and all of its macro into our namespace via macro use external crate Rocket. Finally, we call the launch method in the main function. Now we are done with code. Let's build it. Let's take time. It takes time to build first first time since download all the required packages. So got an error says we have to use feature DLC macro. Since the feature prop macro hygiene is supported in old version only, we have to replace it, and it now we can see that our Hello World demo app is running in as mentioned in terminal window with very colorful GUI. We have localhost serving on port 8000. So now move to page web app and make a request. Hooray, we finally got our Hello World app running with Rocket with pretty ease. Here we can also analyze our app with Postman. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps you understand Rocket and Rust. Don't forget to like and subscribe.